In this video today, we are going to discuss why we let a professional diagnose problems. Customer stated, boyfriend said, just door latch cables are the problem. Well, I went and took door panel off, found out the cables work correctly, but the plastic is stripped on the inside of the door handle. And being done, replacing cables wouldn't do a single thing. So this is why professional comes in, does his job, takes it apart, looks on the inside, finds that the handle piece on the inside is stripped, the cable is still attached. I can move the cable up with the tool and pop the latch. I know everything's attached that way. It's the actual door handle itself that's the problem, not the cables, like what the boyfriend said. So by in turn doing this, I actually save the customer money instead of having to buy something that's not needed and come back and do the repair correctly at a later date.